Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the activity 2, question number 4. The question number 4 states that rewrite the following numbers in the Indian system. First, we have discussed in the earlier class that what is the Indian place value system. How will you write it? That is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. And where we put the commas? Before the 100, before the 10,000 and before the 10 lakhs. This is a Indian place value system. And next you have to convert this you have given in the international place value system, because there are the the commas are there after the three numbers na. So this is a international place value system and you have to convert it in the Indian system. First, you rewrite the number like this 3891,402, and you have to rearrange the commas. Where we put the commas? Here before the 100 and then before the 9, because in the Indian system first we are having 3 numbers gap, then 2 gaps each. In this way you can write it down. That is 38,91,402. Now see the second one, B part. Rewrite the number. It is 42187,005. First we put the comma before the 0, then before 8 and then before 2. First 3 numbers gaps, then 2 gaps each. We get 4 crores 21 lakhs 87,005. Next, C part. Again rewrite the number 67210,200. Where we put the comma? Before the 2 and before the 1. Before the 1 and then before the 7. First 3 numbers gaps, then 2 gaps each. That is 6 crores 72 lakhs 10,200. Understood? Your D, E and F part are your homework. Now see the fifth question. Rewrite the following numbers in the international system. You all know what is the international place value system. We start from ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, lakhs, that is millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. And where we put the comma? Before the hundreds and before the 100,000. In the international place value system we will take 3 number gaps each. And here you have given the number in the Indian form system and you have to write it in the international place value. How will you write? First rewrite the number like this and then put the commas before the 4, that is. So what is the answer here? That is 812,415. Understood? Now see the next part. Again rewrite the number 1503469. First we put the comma here and then put the comma here. The answer is 1,503,469. Understood? Next. Again, see the F part. Here you having the number. First rewrite the number 192343560. So where we put the comma? Before the 5 and before the 3. So what is the answer? 192,343,560. In this way you have to do it. You can do this in the book also. And your homework are C, D and E part. Next, sixth question. Filling the blanks. 1 million is equals to dash lakhs. First, you know how many zeros are there in a million. There are 6 zeros in a million. So we will write it as 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you all know how many zeros are there in lakhs. We will divide it with 5 zeros because lakhs is having 5 zeros, and we will cut these 5 zeros with above 5 zeros. So what is left here? 10. So the answer is 10 lakhs. Got it? Next, 100 lakhs is equals to dash millions. You know, you will write 100 like this, and you know how many zeros are there in lakhs? 5 zeros. So we will write it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And millions, you know how many zeros are there in millions? 6 zeros. So we will write as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will cut these 6 zeros with these 6 zeros. So what is left here? 10. So the answer is 10 millions. 100 lakhs is equals to 10 millions. Next, 10 millions is equals to dash crores. You know how many zeros are there in million? 6 zeros. So we will write as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First you write the 10, then add 6 zeros in it. And you know how many zeros are there in crore? 7 zeros. So we will write as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 zeros would cut with these 7 zeros. So what is left? Only 1. So the answer is 1 crore. Next, dash crores is equals to 100 millions. So first we will write it in the form 100 millions is equals to dash crores. We will interchange these positions. Then we will write 100 as it is. And how many zeros are there in millions? 6 zeros. So we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many zeros are there in crores? 7 zeros. So we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will cut these 7 zeros with these 7 zeros. So what is left here? 10. So the answer is 10 crores. 10 crores makes the 100 millions. With this, your activity 2 has completed. Then we will start activity 3. First, I will tell you what is a face value and place value. The face value of a digit in the number is a digit itself, whatever place it occupies in the place value chart. For example, and next is place value. You all know what is a place value of a digit. It depends upon the place it occupies in the place value chart. The face value doesn't depend on the its position, but the face value depends. What is the formula of place value of a digit? It is equals to face value multiplied with the value of the place it occupies in the place value chart. For example, suppose I am having one example. Write the place value and face value of 1 in this number. So first we will underline this number, and we have to find the place value and face value and place value. So what will we do? First, see, this is an Indian place value system. So first we write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So what is the face value of 1 here? The number 1 itself. Face value means the number only, and the place value. See, the place value of 1 in this chart in this number is lakhs. So we will multiply 1 with 1 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 zeros in 1 lakh. So when we multiply 1 with 1 lakh, so what will we get? Again 1 lakh. So the answer is place value is equals to 1 lakh. You have to write this in this form. Next, expanded form. What is expanded form? The expanded form of a number is the sum of place values of its digits. How will you write it? Suppose we are having a number, write the expanded form of this number. So we will write the number like this. Then we will write the place values above this. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So the expanded form is the sum of place value of its numbers. So how will you write? First, see, what is the place value of 3? 10 lakhs. That is 3 into 10 lakhs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then what is the place value of 8? Lakhs. So 8 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what is the place value of 2? 10,000. So we will multiply it 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Place value of 0 is 1000. 0 into 3 zeros. Plus 7 with 2 zeros, place value of 2 is 100, then 8 with 10 and 2 with 1, like this. You can also put the commas, that is before this and two gaps. First 3 gaps, then 2 gaps, 3 gaps, or this. After that you can write it in the multiplication form, that is when you multiply 3 with 10 lakhs, what will you get? 30 lakhs, like this. After that 8 multiplied with 1 lakh is 8 lakhs. 2 multiplied with 10,000 is 20,000. 0, when you multiply 0 with any number you get 0 here. Then 7 into 100 is 700. Then 8 with 10 is 80 and 2. This is the expanded form. You have to write like this. First you have to multiply the number with its place value, then you can add these numbers. You get the expanded form of this number. Next, you can start the activity 3. Find the place value of 3 in this, that is 8,35,182. How will you write the place values? First you can write the place value, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. How will you see that whether it is an Indian place value table or international? See the commas. Here we are having first 3 gaps, then 2 gaps. So this is a Indian place value table. So what is the place value of 3? See, the place value of 3 is 10,000. So you can multiply 3 with 10,000. What will you get when you multiply 3 with 10,000? You get 30,000, like this. Next, B part. 4 in this number. First see, this is an Indian place value table. So we will write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and crores, 10 crores. Place value of 4 is 10 lakhs. So we will multiply 4 with 10 lakhs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we will put the commas. So what will you get when you multiply 4 with 10 lakhs? 40 lakhs. So answer is 40 lakhs. You have to write the commas also. Next, D part. You have to find the place value of 0 in this. Students, when you have to find the place value of 0, whether it lies on any place, it always be 0, because when you multiply 0 with any number you get 0. How will you solve it? First write the place values ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. So when you multiply 0 with, what is the place value? 10 lakhs. With 10 lakhs you get 0 as an answer. Your homework is C, E and F part. You have to do this yourself. See the second question. Find the difference in the place values of 2 8s in the number. See this number. You are having two 8s are here. Na? One is this and one is this. You have to find these place values and then find the difference. You have done in the earlier classes also. What is the difference means? Subtraction. How will you do this? First see, this is an Indian place value table. First write its values, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. See the place value of first 8. What is the place value of first 8? 10 lakhs. So what is the answer? 8 into 10 lakhs. We will get 8 lakhs as an answer. 80 lakhs. We will get 80 lakhs as an answer when you multiply 8 with 10 lakhs. See the second one. The place value of second 8, it is 10,000. So we will multiply 8 with 10,000. You will get 80,000 as an answer. Next, you have to find the difference. Difference means we will have to subtract 80 lakhs and 80,000. First, we will write the greater number. Which one is greater? 80 lakhs. Then minus 80,000. You will get, when you subtract these two numbers, you will get 79,20,000 as an answer. This subtraction you have to do it yourself. That is, we will get the number 79,20,000. In this way you have to do the question. First you have to find the place values of both the 8s and then you have to find the difference. Similarly, in the third question, find the sum of the place values of all the 3 9s in this number. See, in this number you are having 3 9s of 1, 2, 3. You have to find all these place values and then you have to find the sum. Sum means total, addition. First we will write the number. This is the Indian place value system because first we are having 3 numbers gaps and then we are having 2 numbers gaps. So we will write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So what is the place value of first 9? It is lakhs. So we will multiply 9 with 1 lakh. We get 9 lakhs as an answer. Next, see, what is the place value of second 9? 1000. So we will multiply 9 with 1000. We will get 9,000 as an answer. See, the place value of third 9, it is 1. So we will multiply 9 with 1 and get 9 as an answer. After that you have to add these 3. What will you write? 9 lakhs plus 9,000 plus 9. What will you get when you add these terms? We will get 9 lakhs 9,009, like this. 9 lakhs 9,009. Next, see the fourth question. Find the product of the place value and the face value of 7 in this number. First we will write the number like this. We will write the place values: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. I have told you now what is the face value. Face value means the number itself. So what is the face value of 7? Is 7. And what is the place value of 7? We will multiply 7 with 10,000. 10,000. So we will get 70,000. After that you have to find the product. Product means multiplication. We will multiply 70,000 with 7. And when you multiply them, you will get 4,90,000 as an answer. Got it? Okay students. So your homework is you have to do the first question, C, E and F part. Do this in your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.